Snowmobile. He passed a couple years back. They bought it brand new in 2001. This is one my grandma rode. They didn't ride hard, but they rode quite a bit in Quebec. And yeah, it's been in the family for 22 years now, and we just got it this year, so.
Right on. Do you know when the last time it ran was?
21, I would assume, judging by the trail tag.
Yeah. Okay, so we put, topped up the injector oil, and we put fresh gas in it. So I think we're just going to try and choke it and see how many pulls it takes to start. We'll start and we'll see if it hits the grandma's car there. Sounds good. Is choke on there?
Yeah.
Yes. Yep. Pushed out like that. Yeah, that'll be choke. It'll take a bit to prime it. I don't think it's getting fuel yet. Whoa. Smell the fuel now. There it goes. Ooh, that sounded better. Fuel.
Good shot.
You got it, Cole.
Good work.
Man, I don't miss doing this. Want to take a break? Let it sit? Yeah.
What the workout?
It is a work. It's tough to pull a 700 over. Give her a couple of yanks, Porter. Look at the technique with the foot. Want to give it a little bit of throttle? I don't think it's trying the yet though. No, it's not. It's not trying yet. It's just getting fuel now. If you had a spigot, you could. You also covered it as you're taking the airbox at the hay. Is that like a fuel, like to heat the carburetors, that little thing there, like Skidoo had that thing there, yeah. Like we can pull you want to put some fuel down a spark plug?
Or we can just pull the spark plug so you can gain fuel. Let's just give it a couple more good yanks. I'm feeling good about this.
Probably spark plug. No, I think if we just put a little bit of fuel down the spark plug wall or quick start, she'll fire right.
Let's find some quick start then.
That'll be good.
Throw not go any other shot. Throw some friggin'.
We don't have fuel. We don't have anything over here.
You have tequila?
We're good for
Starting fluid right there.
Is it add in the unit?
Brand new.
There's paint as well.
Oh, she's full.
Oh boy. What are you gonna do? Spray it down the cylinder?
Yeah, straight down the cylinder, and I bet you it'll frickin' snap
You want
right
to start
away.
going on your toolkits? Good, you need that.
This is good quality Harvest King.
Just in
Starting
case.
fluid.
That's the PV Mart special there.
PV Mart, it's meant for starting combines.
There's a little cool off back. Good old Yamaha.
Oh boy.
Holy crap.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. Take all three of them off. Yeah.
Take a little look-see look at it.
She
looks wet.
Oh yeah.
She's a little black.
She might be a little flooded.
Take them all off. Well, if it's flooded, we'll use we'll try it with choke, and then we'll try it with no choke. We just a couple holes without choke. We'll just if it starts to go, it doesn't. Yeah, Graham doesn't need. Yeah, to pull down lever, get him. I don't be ready on the. Just be ready on the brake for these with the lower bumpers.
Parking brake is. Let's put the parking brake on.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
They're all wet, a little dirty.
Yeah, but it hasn't ran in a while, and it has bad gas in the bottom of the tank that it's getting through right now. The kickback, oh my god. Well, there goes your super clean engine, man.
You let my dad get a hold of something once.
We'll change up the plugs. We'll just swap. Do you have a? I mean, the last time we tried to start one of your snowmobiles, nearly burnt down my garage. So should we maybe get a fire?
Oh, through right there.
Yeah, no shit.
We stay prepared.
No, this thing doesn't look like the fuel lines are gone on it. Jeez.
That'll make for some good video.
Hose and I come around the corner and your flame. George is trying to pull the thing away from the garage, and both cars are in the garage.
Should have been recording.
I know I should.
I was inside the house. I saw it happen. I was making lunch.
Okay.
Okay, Porter, fire it up.
You're not gonna crank those parts?
No, actually Cole should have the honors.
Hand tight Coles.
No, she did them. Yeah, that's all. You cracked them a bit, right?
Well, I didn't put them with this. Well, I probably do that.
You're supposed to crack them on.
Yeah, but they don't have to be super tight.
I went at it.
It's not like a Skidoo where you have to, you know, index.
Well, this
it.
you leave them light because you're gonna be changing them every 50 kilometers. Good thing that has 4 spark plug holders, so you can have extra spots for the Yamaha.
That's
the
right.
Polaris,
You got a total of.
recently than this.
That's true, but this probably also is.
He's
gonna
got
be the same
7
process.
spark plugs to play with here.
Hopefully they're the same.
There you go. That's good.
Yeah, they're tight.
We're not doing Healy coil today.
I like how they give you 4 when you have a
So
cylinder.
try it with the choke on and see.
Put your tools away.
Well, Jeep show, right? Our little rope. Can you tell the family's from boating family because it has the.
It's gonna probably.
Oh my god, it's a boat
It's a boat
one.
rope.
That's
Oh my
awesome.
God.
My grandparents used to.
It's probably gonna
be big
go.
boaters.
You just can't be okay, so should I choke on, you think?
I think choke on. It's gonna burp. So just be ready.
Parking brake is on.
Yeah.
Let it go, let it idle itself up.
They sound good. Lift up the back end. You got it up? Oh. Are you okay? Sounds good.
Oh, she runs so good.
That's great, eh?
Listen to it.
Smell that.
It needs a little idle adjustment.
It might be all right once it runs. It sounds good. Yeah, that's your battery being dead though, right?
Dude, this thing's throwing.
I would put brand new plugs in it and friggin' once you
Let's
get
let
it
the
running
shop
with
clear
a
out a little bit
once you
here,
get that
boys.
fresh gas running around.
Man, we gotta get snow ASAP, dude.
That's awesome.
Oh, we are so done riding. Holy crap.
She's just a good old girl.
Dude, you can ride the 850. Fuck it.
After an hour, your back will be wanting the 850.
No, actually they ride really good. I wouldn't.
Yeah, but this
Let's take it
is
across the
sour.
field.
Yeah,
right now.
no,
There's
no,
a
it's
water
sitting
skip
up.
down there
Yeah.
waiting to happen.
Oh God.
I've already been in that pond.
Find you some triple stingers for it.
Make it real.
What do I do with your lid, Cole? Sorry.
Oh, that's fine. That's the old shop. Starting to do it.
Look at the smoke. I love that.
It's magical.
This one's turn?
This bad boy.
You have a key in it?
Yeah, sure.
Start option.
That's
Is it the
fire.
option?
We don't
Is there even gas in it, Cole?
You think it's gonna go, Cole?
we'll see. I don't know. Last
It
year,
might be more pulls than the old Yamaha.
probably. Oh, it's falling apart.
Yeah, what was that I just
What
broke?
are you breaking on it?
I know, I'm breaking everything on all
This
your
one's a 99.
Oh my god,
This
whoa,
one's,
whoa.
This one's an elder on the trail.
I think Side by Side blog would pass on this one.
It's only 1,100 miles.
Oh wait, I'm not choking it.
Whoa.
Here. Oh wait, it's got a primer like the freaking Grinch. Oh, I didn't know
Does it
that.
work?
Your primer's working.
No, it's not hooked up.
Oh,
There's no line to it.
that'll do it.
I like those primers better than the choke.
This one's got both. Just one's not hooked up.
I just need a sec now.
Has it got E-start too? This
No,
one?
this one says option, and it's not there. Imagine if I that up. You don't see this on red next to dirty hands.
You want to throw some fuel down there? You want to throw some
And then Cole can start
stuff
it.
down there? Isn't it funny how Polaris back in the day still did that color-coded, like...
Yep, everything
they're
was the
almost
same
like
on the new
kids,
ones, yeah.
block toys, you know, that you put the...
They know their market.
Yep. They still use that same exact color
I know.
scheme to this day on the new XCRs and the
Yeah,
Boost
and
seem to have the same color
Yeah,
scheme. Skidoo does it too, though. Right? They've had their. I mean, they don't do it anymore, but they had for a while. At the start was the.
Hey, Mark.
We had the 700 triple going.
Give her a squirt.
Give her. You can start it for him. We'll fire it
I'll
up.
give her a squirt.
Yeah, that thing.
Ah!
We took a few poles and we put some starter fluid down the cylinder, and she runs good.
Yeah. Again, go again. Wait, go. Don't go. Don't come back.
They make this stuff called soap, though. You put it in water, and you can scrub it around.
Turn the gas on. Was it off?
Yeah. Oh, that's what
Oh,
you
that's a
did!
fuel tap!
No, ran her out of gas.
There.
There's a fuel tap on it.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I don't know why I didn't think about that.
Making fun of
Okay,
Skidoos.
next.
Yeah, I got it. No, you kind of got it.
Sub in.
Oh, I had the kill switch on.
Yeah, no kidding, right? That's a good pull, Porter.
I'm used to it, Dad. I pulled that 550 fan over 2 seasons. Oh my God.
Oh, there we go.
Leave it up run. Let it. Oh.
Listen how horrible that sounds compared to the 700, eh?
I think it's just flooded now.
Well, I guess we're both 700. There we go. Hey, Charlie.
He doesn't like it.
This one sat outside at a buddy's, whatever, was picking up a cow, and I go, "What's up with that?" And he says, "Oh, I'll start your second pull." So I went out, let her going, and put her on the cow on the front, this on the back.
That's awesome.
I think because he had it started that morning knowing you were coming.
Yeah, no, it wasn't.
That was the classic story. Couple good units, boys. Couple good units.
Are they hiding behind these two?